The laziest rice cooker hack. Ground beef and edamame rice. ひき肉枝豆ご飯。150 grams of rice, Japanese short grain. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. Soak it in water until ready to cook later. One clove of garlic. You can add more if you like. Finely chop. One tablespoon of sake or white wine. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce or dashi powder. 2 teaspoons of sugar. Half teaspoon of dashi powder. Mix well. Add the washed and well-drained rice. 210 ml of water. Add the seasoned broth made earlier. Mix well. $150 grams of ground beef. Spread evenly. Tip 1 for success. Keep the total amount of ingredients, including rice, below half of the rice cooker pot. Add the chopped garlic. Spread evenly. Tip 2 for success. Place the ingredients on top of the rice without mixing them before cooking. Place the pot into the rice cooker and cook it the same way as regular white rice. $70 grams of shell edamame. Stir well. Season with salt and pepper to taste and enjoy. 今日の料理はひき肉枝豆ご飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.